Okay, we're back on the record in cause number 329180. The case is style of state of Texas versus Medardo Valdez. Madam Prosecutor, can you repeat the offer?
Yes, Your Honor. It's 90 days over 1 year, $500 fine, 50 hours community service, and restitution in the amount of $508.09.
Okay. And that's payable to Daniel D'Angelo?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Valdez, the state is offering that you serve 90 days in the Jefferson County Jail. However, you would not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail on this case because you'll be placed on probation for 1 year. During the 1 year probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine. Well, the 90 days jail time will be probated for 1 year. And during the 1 year probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $500 plus $342 of court costs. That comes to a total of fine and court costs of $842. You will also be required to pay restitution in the amount of $508.09. You will also be required to pay probation fees of $60 each month and a urinalysis fee of $15 each month. Now, your total monthly installments will come to an amount of $200, $200 per month. Mr. Valdez, would you be able to pay the $200 per month?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Valdez, you will also be required to you will also be required to perform 50 hours of community service. You'll be required to pay restitution in the amount of $508.09 to Daniel D'Angelo, and you will also be required to adhere to the other standard terms of your probation. Mr. Valdez, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes.
And Mr. Valdez, do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just? Mr. Valdez, do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Valdez, do you accept the state's offer?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Valdez, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Valdez, this will conclude your case, and you can follow the bailiff, and you have a blessed day. Mr. Valdez, is the bailiff in there?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Bailiff, make sure that Mr. Valdez get it. I think he has to get a fingerprint because he's getting probation.
Yes.
They probably can show you how to do that at the jail. But this will conclude Mr. Valdez's case. And you have now, if he doesn't have an electronic print, you can I guess do the manual on a sheet of paper with his case number and name. I think that's how the clerk's office wanted. All right. Y'all have a blessed day. You have a blessed day, Mr. Valdez, and you have a blessed day, Mr. Vasquez. Do we have another case?
That's all we have, Your Honor.
Okay, that's it.
Louis.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Bailiff.
Yes.
Is there anybody else out there? Do you have a Edgar Ochoa?
Ochoa?
Yeah.
Ochoa? Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Vasquez, could you hold on a minute? I need to